Hello, flavor enthusiasts. Get ready for a taste explosion because today, we're diving into the world of irresistible spices with a dish that will make your taste buds dance, mushroom ghee roast, or as we like to say, hoye Kamaal. I'm your quirky quest, and I can't wait to guide you through this aromatic and mouth-watering culinary journey. Before we unleash the flavors, let's gather our fantastic ingredients. 1 bowl of sliced mushrooms. 4-5 Kashmiri lal mirch, dried Kashmiri red chili. 8-10 cashews. 1 inch ginger. 4-5 garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon tamarind pulp. 1 tablespoon dahi, yogurt. 1/2 cinnamon stick. 1-2 bay leaves. 2-4 cloves. 2-3 tablespoons ghee. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon cumin powder. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon sugar. Half a teaspoon kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves. Salt as per taste. 1/2 cup water. Chopped coriander to garnish. Soak 4-5 Kashmiri mirch, dried Kashmiri red chili, with 8-10 cashews for 5-7 minutes. While those are soaking, in a pan add some ghee and mushroom and roast them a little. Now in a mixer add ginger, garlic, soaked red chili and cashew along with tamarind pulp and curd, and grind it to a fine paste. Now in another pan add some ghee, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, cloves, and black pepper and saute it a little. Add the tamarind and chili paste. Mix well, saute a little, and add some water and cook for 3-4 minutes. Add coriander powder, turmeric, garam masala, jeera powder, cumin powder, salt, kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves, and sugar. Mix well. Now add mushrooms. Cook for another 2-3 minutes on a high flame. Now cover the lid and cook for another 7-8 minutes on a low flame until the ghee gets separated. Finish off with a sprinkle of fresh coriander, because, let's be honest, there's no such thing as too much freshness. Now, our mushroom ghee roast is ready to be savored. If you're ready to take your taste buds on a roller coaster of flavors, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mouth-watering recipes. Enjoy this mushroom ghee roast, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking, and ahoy Kamaal!